Well, so this is the big story from NBC News. House votes to renew FISA spying tool after earlier Republican revolt. Prior to passage, the House failed to adopt a bipartisan amendment to curtail warrantless surveillance inside the U.S. Section 702 of the law expires on April 19th unless it's renewed. So what does this mean for your everyday American?
What it means is that government, just for an FBI agent, claiming there's a reason important to the country, can file a national security letter and go in and find out what people are doing. And to say that it's never political, it's not going to be abused, that's baloney. The FISA should have been taken down. This law, we already had the tools through the Central Intelligence Agency to determine if somebody's doing something to try to hurt our country. And unfortunately, the CIA often misinterprets that in order to justify starting wars. However, FISA has permitted our government to be able to reach very deeply into people's personal conduct. And this bill, look, right now the government can track your internet searches. The government can flag individual conduct. This, to me, that is a nightmare. That is not what a democracy is supposed to be about, small d. It is anathema to the very principle of freedom that we believe we have as Americans to have the government equipped and a law that enables them to spy on Americans without a warrant. That's the point. They can do it without, before, if you want to go and find out what people are talking about on their phone or any other form of communication, you have to go to court. You don't have to do that now under FISA. So, Congress rejected the Biggs Amendment that would have required a warrant to be able to follow the personal conduct of people. To me, it is a violation of the Fourth Amendment, which prohibits unreasonable search and seizure. It is also a violation of right to privacy. I mean, our government is too busy about reaching into people's private lives and their personal lives. And in a way, when you have a law like that, everybody's a potential criminal. It's a status. If the government doesn't like what you're doing or saying, they can go after you. That's why I'm for dramatically revising all of those bills that were passed in the wake of 9/11, because otherwise we're looking at at something that resembles more of a Stalin-esque state than the United States of America.